Thank you for buying this 21124 tabletop blackboard from Fixture Displays. These are the dimensions. The blackboard is on both sides of the display. It's an excellent item to put on your countertop, tabletop, to promote your beverages, your specials, your desserts, and so on. Both sides take regular chalk as well as liquid chalks if you shall choose. The area where the blackboard is right about 8.3 inches by 11 inches. It's fairly lightweight, easy to fold, and easy to set. This is how white chalk would work on this board. Also use liquid chalk. Cleaning wise, periodically you would want to use some rubbing alcohol to clean it. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. If you have a special project, we'd love the opportunity to manufacture that for you. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.